Welcome everybody. What is going on? It is Nathan Payne here on the weekly batch call. And what do we do on the batch call? Well, we get deals, we look at deals, we figure out how to do the thing. All right, that's what we're doing today. So guys, I have a deal right now in Tucson, Arizona. I need to find a buyer for it. And that's what we're going to show you, how to find buyers using batch. I'm telling you right now, you're going to want to stay and watch this video to the very end because you're going to learn exactly how to find buyers, what process to use. Is wholesaling dead? Can you still do deals? You're also going to learn the best strategy that I use for negotiating with buyers. All right. I got a deal in Tucson. I called it, got it under contract, no problem. We sent the agreement, it was done. All right. So now we got to find a buyer. All right. So let's see near the property that I have. I'm gonna call this guy. Well, let's see if this is mobile. Is this mobile? No, but I'm gonna call him. Let's see. So this is currently listed. So I'm just gonna say, hey, I have a property in the area. See that you represent flippers. You want to work with me if I can bring you a good deal. Let's call this guy. We're calling now, boys and girls. Jose, let's go. Ooh, he works with investors. That's great. Come on, Jose. Answer the phone for me, brother. Give me a little nug, brother. I'm going to text him. I'm going to be straight up with him. Jose, how you doing? This is Nathan Payne. I'm calling you because I found that you represent cash buyers in the area. I have a mobile home I'm trying to sell ASAP, and I heard you're the go-to guy. Give me a call back. I have a deal. I'd be willing to pay you a commission if you can connect me to your cash buyers. Let me know. Thanks. Bye. Hey, I have a house I need to sell. Do you work with wholesalers? Bam. If he's like, no, I don't, then forget him. So the reason why I'm calling people that are out on these outskirts, because that's where the property is. So I'm assuming these people in this agents that represent cash buyers in this area have buyers. But like I told you, I have a buyers list. I have a giant buyers list. That's the dopest buyers list that has been built via batch leads. Thank you, batch leads. So we're going to teeter in between both of these. And by the way, we got over 1.5 million buyers and growing. So a lot of these numbers and information, because I've got it aggregated from so many people, it's got bad data, and that's okay. That's why we're cleaning it up. So let's see who else is in the Tucson area. Okay, it looks like we got Jaleesa. Oh,
the wireless customer you are calling is not available.
Man, maybe they changed their numbers because they were getting lit up with deals and they couldn't handle it anymore. But I'm gonna call my my cousin. Let's see. Call her. She's in Tucson. It's all about networking. She might not answer either. We'll see. Yo.
This is Ashley.
Ashley, how you doing? It's Nathan. What's up? Your cousin.
Hey.
You have a couple minutes? I was going to ask you about a property in Tucson.
Yeah, I'm sitting out in front of school. I have to run in there in about 7 minutes. What do you got?
Oh, well, no, I was just calling to see if you still are buying out there right now.
Oh, I close on one in a week from today.
Okay.
But not very much. No, it's a shit time to be buying and selling properties.
I hear you. Yeah, and it's basically until you find a super sweet deal, right? Then that's when you would move, and I totally get that.
Yeah, it would have to be 2019 pricing, and I probably want to rent it for a while. I have a couple of rentals.
Yeah.
They're fine for now, but yeah, buyers are just, nobody wants to buy right now. So.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I know. That's what, I was reaching out. I got this deal in Tucson. It's a mobile home. I don't know if you deal with those, but a mobile home with about an acre of land. And I was like, I was calling through my buyers list, trying to reach out to some agents. And, I just figured I'd give you a call, see if you even dabble in that or if you know anybody that does.
Yeah, I guess the acre, it depends on where it is. If it could be how old the mobile home is, not typically, just because they're hard to get loans on, and it would be a lot about the land. Where is it?
It's 6231 South Speaks Trail in Tucson, Arizona. I can send you the address so you could look it up if that's not familiar, but it's not it doesn't have paved roads. It's not anything super luxurious. If I'm looking at a map in Tucson, it's on the west side where there's like all those mobile homes, like Sunset Acres, and it looks like this one is called Valencia Ranchos. If that sounds familiar, that sounds like that's the neighborhood.
Yeah, so that's over on the. I mean, I hate to be picky, but I can be because I like to flip and invest.
Of course.
In the areas that are better neighborhoods, hold better value. It's easier to work with buyers.
Of course.
So this is not a great part of town. All that being said, I mean, it all comes down to numbers and what are they looking to get for it.
Yeah. So right now he's wanting $65,000. That's the price that we have it under contract for. We've already kind of sent it out to some people. We're gonna have to go and renegotiate, obviously, but yeah, 65 for a mobile home. That's it's not nice, you know. So it's really the land.
Well, I think that's going to be a hard area to rent in. Probably renters that I wouldn't be interested in
of course.
dealing with.
Well, I don't blame you. Yeah, it doesn't look very nice in this area. Like,
no, yeah. I mean, if it was maybe, I hate to say it, I would be, it'd have to be a lot less for me to be.
Yeah, no, I totally get it. Well, hey, I appreciate your time. And if I come across anything else, you're my go-to in Tucson. All right, guys. Well, you heard it here first. I might have locked that deal up way too high, and it's not might have, I did, so it's okay. But that's just what happened. So, look, this is what I told the seller. I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. This is what I did. I'm always transparent. He said that someone else wanted to like blow down the mobile home and buy the land. So this is what I said. I said, hey, look, I don't live in Tucson. I would have to bring in some cash partners or some people. So we can put this house under contract. Give me 5 days of due diligence, and I'm going to, see what we can do. If everything is like what you said, I think we should be able to be good to go. We sent someone by. It's way worse than what he said. So you do spend some time doing it like that. But for me, like, I don't want to like go back and forth and negotiate when I want to just be quick about it. It's like, hey, let's be quick. Let's get some agents in there. Let's find out what the agents think they can sell this thing for, and let's throw our fee in. And we have an agent at 70 that he says he can take it, or around that price, and we're at 65. So there's still a wholesale fee to be made, but I think we can renegotiate with the guy. Again, using batch leads, you basically just do a boundary of the area, and you find agents that represent cash buyers in the area. That's the name of the game. Right now, with the way I teach you and teach everybody to do it, is I reverse wholesale, okay? I have buyers already in Salt Lake City, but sometimes I get leads all over the country, Tucson, Columbia. And what I have to do, because I don't have my buyers established, is I have to go through this batch leads route. I have to call my buyers list and find buyers, or call someone I've networked with, my cousin, and that's how you do it. So no crazy secret sauce to it. It takes work. You got to find people. You got to call your buyers list. Like I said, the buyers list has been built primarily through batch leads and pulling lists like this and skip tracing them. So that's how it gets done. If you guys have a deal, I'll sell it. I'll get it done. All right. Because I'll have calls like that, and I'll find out where you need to be. So everybody have a great day. I'm about to bounce out of the bonfire. If you want deals, make calls. That's all I got to say. You got to make calls. You got to talk to people. That's what I got to say. Peace out. Nathan Payne out.